So to perform this operation, you're going to need a progress capture pulley, a rope grab, another pulley, and a couple of carabiners. That's all. If you're watching this, I'd love to be sponsored, so hit me up. Enough talk about gear, let's dive into it. I've got my clove hitch here. This is what I'm tying into my rope that's connecting me to my partner. So my partner was on Instagram taking sweet pics, and he fell into a crevasse, so now I gotta pull him out. The first method I'm gonna show you is attaching to an external anchor. And so I'm gonna sit into the harness here. Next thing, you're gonna take your micro tracks, make sure the teeth are engaged, attach it to your rope, make sure it's the right orientation too, attach it to your anchor, and then slide it as far up as it'll go, where it's kind of, now the anchor is in line with the load, it's taking most of the force, and now I can ease into it. This is now slacked, so I can get out of the system. From there, I'm going to take my tib lock and my roll clip, attach to my rope, so now I've got my progress capture, I've got my rope grab, I've got my pulley, got a 3-to-1 system, and I can haul my partner up and out. If you need additional mechanical advantage, you can start adding more pulleys. All right, now for the second method, this system, I won't have any access to external anchors. So what I have to do is actually break into the system off my own clove hitch here. So I'm basically the anchor, and I have to break in to the system that's taut using a couple extra pieces of hardware. The equipment you're gonna need is some accessory cord or a foot loop, a sling, 2 carabiners, a progress capture, a roll clip or a pulley, and a rope grab. So first I'm gonna basket hitch this sling to my anchor point here and attach a carabiner. Next, I'm gonna take my progress capture and attach it to the rope as close to the anchor as we can. Make sure those teeth are engaged. Attach it to the carabiner and then pull up towards the load end. Next, I'm gonna take my rope grab, attach that to the rope here. And then I'm gonna take my accessory line, attach it to this locking carabiner. And then this is gonna trip people up, but you're gonna attach this carabiner to the taut line behind your progress capture. So notice that when I'm pulling this way, it's actually pulling rope through the progress capture. So when I'm at it to the 3-to-1 here on this pulley, I'm gonna do this in slow motion here. It's actually gonna take the taut line and pull slack in this end of it. So notice that. All right, I'm gonna do a couple of resets here and then you'll see what's happening. So the taut line is now taut on this side of the progress capture. It's loose on this side. And the goal is to get enough slack so that I can ditch this accessory cord and use this loop to actually pull my load up. So it looks like I have enough loop now. I'm gonna take the blue accessory cord out of the system. So we're done with that. Now I can take this loop that used to be the top portion of the line, attach that to my rope grab pulley, and now I can haul using the original line. And there you have it, we broke into the system. Something to keep in mind that if for whatever reason you need to lower again, the easiest way to do that is to pull, and while you're simultaneously pulling, grab those teeth and pull them away from the rope. Make sure that if the load is really heavy, you have something here to let the load down. Anyway, this is the second method of breaking into a taut line. You have your progress capture now capturing the progress when you pull the rope up. Over there you have your rope grab and pulley system, so you can keep pulling. Make sure those teeth are engaged. And it's that easy. This is probably one of the lightest setups you can get on the market. I really like these micro tractions. They're awesome, and they will not start slipping until you hit something like 4 kilonewtons, which is just a massive load. That could be easily like 2+ people. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more videos.